Here I have HUAWEI P9 Plus. Let me show you how to use Do Not Disturb mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let me find and select the settings. Let's choose Do Not Disturb right here, and here we've got a couple of options. You can simply switch on Do Not Disturb by using that switcher right here. And as you can see, you can choose the mode of Do Not Disturb. You can choose alarms only, don't interrupt, or allow only priority interrupts. Let me tap cancel. You can define the priority interrupts, and for example, you can disable reminders, events. You can handle with calls. You can choose, for example, favorite contacts only. You may also handle with repeat callers and messages. Let's go back. You may also choose some automatic rules. So you can, for example, turn on Do Not Disturb mode every weekend, every weeknight, or add some other custom rule. As you can see here, we've got the Do Not Disturb mode icon right here. If you would like to quit Do Not Disturb, let's use switcher right one more time, and that's it. You just disable Do Not Disturb mode, so you can go back and start using your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.